Hi there, students. Voila. Voila. This is a French word meaning look there, behold. There it is. It's done. I've done it. It's finished. Okay, voila is an interjection. So, for example, you take a frying pan, you put some oil in the frying pan, you put it on the heat. When the oil is hot, you take an egg, you break it into the oil, you cook for a minute or two, you put some salt on it, and voila, you have a fried egg. There it is. It's done. Nowadays, if you don't know something, you go directly to your phone and ask it. And voila, you have the answer. There it is. You have it. You look very elegant. Let's put a flower in your buttonhole and voila, you're ready to go. There you are. It's ready. It's done. It's finished. There you have it. Okay, so the meaning's quite general. That's it. There it is. Okay, this word voila is French. It comes from the French verb voir, to see. Voir is the second person. So voir, you see, and la, over there. So literally, you see there. Okay, so follow the instructions and voila, you have it done. You see there, you see it, it's done, it's finished. Okay, so it's probably slightly informal phrase, but it sounds quite posh to say, and it's produced. There you have it. So I was talking about formality. I think you could use this definitely in an informal conversation, but it does sound a bit posh. Generally, French words are posher sounding. I don't think I would write this unless I was writing what somebody had actually said. But for speaking, and voila, there you have it. It's done for you. A nice, easy word to use. And remember, it's an interjection. Behold, look there. So, if you want to make a video, just press the button on your camera, speak to it, and voila, you have a video. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Voila, the video's finished.